Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. So today I'm going to teach you a very simple and quick dessert, that's the banana trifle. Let's get started. In a pan I'm going to add around 500 ml of milk, half cup sugar. You can adjust your sugar as per your taste, as I'll be adding condensed milk in the future, so I'm just going to reduce the sugar content. I'm just waiting for a boil. So the boil has come. Now I'm going to add custard slurry. I've taken around 2 tablespoons heap full of custard, plain vanilla custard, and have added some water into this. And now I'm going to add this. Stir it quickly, or else it might catch lumps. So mix this well and cook this for a minute or two on low flame. So this is done. So turn off the flame and let this cool. So this has almost cooled. Now let's just whisk this well so that the steam just goes out from this. So this has cooled almost. Now into this I'm going to add half can of condensed milk. This is 400 ml condensed milk, so I'm going to add half can, that is around 200 ml. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. This is optional, but adding this adds to the flavor. So let us whisk this well. So my custard is completely ready. So let's just keep this to set in the freezer until we finish the other things. Now take 3 to 4 ripe bananas and let's just slice them. So my bananas are ready. Now I'm going to add sponge cake. I have around 5 to 6 large slices of sponge cake which I have crumbled it. That will be the first layer, and the second layer is the sliced bananas. It's a very simple dessert. You can just make this within 10 to 15 minutes, and even during Ramadan you can just try this. Now I'm going to add my custard. So now I'm going to pour the custard which we had already prepared. Then repeat the same thing. The sponge cake, bananas, and now I'm going to put some walnuts, handful of walnuts. If you don't like walnuts, you can just opt for any dry fruit which you desire, cashews, pistachios, anything of your choice. And lastly again I'm going to pour the custard, and the final layer is the whipped cream. I have taken around 1 cup whipped cream and whipped it, and now I'm going to layer it. This is the final layer. So I have covered this with the whipping cream. So this is done. So to give this a final touch, I'm going to just garnish this with caramel sauce. So I have added some walnuts as well. That is all totally optional. So this is my banana trifle. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and family too. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will definitely give it a try. And you can make this recipe just in 10 to 15 minutes.